Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like live, video, go live, chat and me. Tap on live, then there you'll see options like multi-guest live, live, audio live, etc. Go ahead and tap on go live from the screen. Then at the bottom left corner, you're gonna see three options. Go ahead and tap on three-line menu. There you're gonna see options like share, beauty, SD, etc. under room tools. You're gonna have to navigate your way to microphone and tap on it. Then you'll see you've successfully muted on Bigo Live. And guys, that's it. That's how you mute on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.